An APU, or Accelerated Processing Unit, is a type of computer processor. It combines the CPU, or Central Processing Unit, and the GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit, into a single chip. The CPU is the brain of your computer. It is responsible for general tasks like running programs and managing data. The GPU is specialized in rendering graphics, images, and video. Think of an APU as a hybrid engine in a car. A regular car engine or CPU handles most driving tasks. An electric motor or GPU gives extra power for speed and efficiency. Similarly, an APU combines CPU and GPU power, so your computer can handle everyday tasks and graphics without a separate graphics card. Why is an APU useful? Traditionally, computers needed a CPU and a dedicated GPU for gaming or video editing. This made systems more expensive and power-hungry. APUs solve this by integrating both on a single chip, reducing costs and improving energy efficiency. Budget laptops often use APUs because they can run office apps and light games without needing a separate graphics card. Small form-factor PCs benefit from APUs because space is limited. Here's an analogy to help you understand better. Imagine a kitchen. The chef or CPU cooks meals. The artist or GPU decorates plates beautifully. In a traditional setup, you hire both separately. With an APU, you get a chef who's also an artist. This is perfect for everyday cooking and presentation without hiring two people. Here are examples of APUs. AMD's Ryzen APUs, like the Ryzen 5 5600G, are popular for budget gaming. Intel's Core processors with integrated graphics also act like APUs.